Stupid. Made-up holiday. I love Pink Halloween! I love Pink Halloween sales! Valentine's is boring. Next one. Why is there always a chase? Wait, Hermione and Kylo? We must play date. Daddy's home!
Hey guys, I missed you.
Daddy, did you bring us ice cream?
Not even a hello? Huh, charming. Honey, can you believe this?
Answer the question. Thanks, sweetie. You didn't have to.
Haha, yeah. It's everything to your satisfaction?
No! Those awful people are ruining our evening.
I'm terribly sorry. Which table? I love you.
Are you talking to me or the iPad? Clickbaity trash! Manipulating people into funning in the comments. Disgusting!
No, ma'am.
They almost got me. Thanks.
Rolling Stone ranks the greatest artist of all time. I heard somebody likes
No!
stickers.
Sweetie, this looks amazing. This looks yucky.
Have you tried?
Nah, I'm just going to mash up some Lucky Charms in my ketchup. Mommy, did you eat all the peanuts? Huh? Peanuts! Yes, I ate the peanuts. You like peanuts. Mommy likes peanuts. No, thank you. It says here that calico cats are usually girls and ginger ones are boys. Whoa, and cats don't talk or wear clothes. He left in his car again. What if something happened to him? What if he never comes back? Okay, when did he leave? 2 minutes ago. I am beside myself. I need more cat friends. He's back!
Honey, I just went to check the mail, but the mail got away again.
Does this ever happen to you? Minecraft. Complaining. Where do babies come from? No. Well, the Sloof brand White Con is here to help. Blocks unwelcome small people chatter, and it's great for movie night. Get yourself a Sloof White Con today. Thanks, White Con, and thank you, Sloof. Sloof White Con only $49.95.
Look at this. Still going. Should I say something?
No. Yes.
You are a bad influence, pal. You want me to go over there and start throwing hands?
Do it. No, Daddy. If you punch her, she will just die. If we won't see her again. We don't want to see her again, Cooper. That's the point.
You guys are the angel and the devil on my shoulders.
Did you ever worry that your baby would never take those first steps? Oh, yes. Those first few minutes after giving birth felt like hours. There's a new kid at school. Oh, yeah? What's their name? I don't remember his name. I just call him what he looks like. Oh? Trash can. Yeah, he is Trash Can. I found out his name, Oscar. Oh, that's great, honey. But I call him Escar.
Hello, Norman Rambus. At this hour?
He's watching his stories. I think spooky season is making him squirrely. Oh, look at his little guy. He's cute. Ah, he's pooping. Mom! What is it? Oh my, did you do this? No. Are you lying? I don't remember. We are sorry, Mrs. Werecat. My stag is haunted and kind of in a hole. We are not Werecats, weirdo. Yeah, we are just cats.
Are you really?
Then what do we Werecats look like over there?
Can it be destroyed?
I want one. Wait, so what do cats look like over there? Ah! Oh, what's this?
New show I found. It's really good. I'll stop watching, so we can watch it together.
From the start.
From the start. This new show is terrible.
Excellent. Carry on. If I was Aladdin and the genie popped out, my first wish would be... I wish you'd disregard all those rules you just told me. Then I'd wish for a million wishes. That's great, sweetie. But can you not use a word like disregard? The internet isn't going to believe me. If I was Aladdin and the genie popped out, my first wish would be... I wish you'd disregard all those rules you just told me. Then I'd wish for a million wishes. That's great, sweetie. But can you not use a word like disregard? The internet isn't going to believe me.
How old are you?
2.
How many fingers am I holding up?
2.
Impressive. What's your favorite color?
2. Yeah, that's all he's got. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Enough! If I ever see a baby shark, I'm going to kick it in its stupid baby. Please. Run away to do to do to.
Oh, the song. Believe me, we hate it way more than you.
This porridge is too hot. This porridge is too cold. This porridge is...
Just right?
No, too gross. This place sucks. Why did you bring me here? This is our home, you broke in.
Oh, are you poopy, buddy?
No. Pooping?
Oh, like right now?
Yeah. Put that under your pillow and the tooth fairy will leave your money. Tooth fairy, Papa!
You've ruined me.
Look, I got a new Tupperware. I'm sorry. I'm so old and boring.
Oh, new Tupperware. This is such a useful size. Think of all the things we can keep in here.